Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the on-screen clock on or off on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There is an option to have the on-screen clock on the infotainment system or not. Follow the steps to learn how to turn the on-screen clock on or off. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the infotainment system screen. Choose Clock from the options. Then tap On-Screen Clock to turn the on-screen clock on or off. When there is an orange dot to the left of on, the clock is on, and when there is no orange dot, the clock is off. You can see that the clock in the top right corner will appear and disappear when you change the setting. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.